आज सज आए वे सारा शहर, आज हो गई आवे रब दी महर। हाय सज आए वे सारा शहर, आज हो गई आवे रब दी महर। अखियां चो डिगदे हंजू खुशी
एक दिल के साथ बिताए स्वर्णिम 50 वर्ष, आपको बधाई देते हुए हमें हो रहा है हर्ष। हाँ में रखना ऐसे ही एक दूसरे का हाथ, अनूठा है आपका जीने का अंदाज। खुशियों के दामन में छलकता रहे प्यार, परिवार की बगिया में बहे झरनों सा प्यार। खूबसूरती से बनाया आपने जो आशियाँ, फूलों की खुशबू की तरह महकती रहे बगियाँ। यूं ही जिंदगी आपकी जगमगाती रहे, जैसे संग दिया और बाती रहे। 50 सालों का सफर और आगे यूं ही बढ़ता रहे, आपका प्यार और आशीर्वाद हमारे सर पर रहे।
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून। तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक। और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं।
हमारे माइथोलॉजी में कहा गया है कि 50वीं एनिवर्सरी पूरी शादी, एक नई शादी होती है, एक नया जीवन स्टार्ट होता है। लड़कियों, आई नो बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बट ओके एवरीबॉडी 1 2 3 आईज ऑन मी। ऐसे ही हम बच्चों के साथ करते हैं, तो अब आई ऑल आईज ऑन द कुछ फूल बिखेर के जा रहे हैं हमारे युवा पीढ़ी, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन। फॉलोड बाय सचिन मुनाद एंड they are the youngest son and daughter-in-law of Sharad and Poonam. Followed by, now we have Shalab Munat and Heather Hendricks. Sharad and Poonam's oldest son is better half. Welcoming Shalab and Heather. इंतजार है, why don't we give a applause for our Dulha and Dulhaniya, Sharad and Poonam. Yes, we have home, everybody. when exchanging something, giving, taking, is not only just a transaction, but a promise, a commitment. So when you marry, the Varmala is a promise, एक वचन है, एक वादा है कि मैं निभाऊंगा तुम्हारा साथ, आज नहीं कल नहीं, सदियों तक, in generations to come, years to come. So today we'll start with the Jaymala, or we call Varmala. So here, ladies and gentlemen, हमारी पद्धति, हमारे रिचुअल्स, हमारी संस्कृति के अनुसार आज हम करेंगे वरमाला। तो मैं स्वागत करती हूँ शरद जी का, पूनम जी का, कि हमें बताएं, हमें दिखाएं कि कितना प्यार छुपा है इनके दिल में आज इनकी 50वीं एनिवर्सरी में। The beautiful lady and the handsome man. Let's go ahead and promise. Yes, I do. Let's go ahead. Declare them man and wife. Huge applause for the newlyweds. Sharad ji, पूनम जी, honeymoon कहाँ जा रहे हो? Oh, you may kiss the bride. Yes, sir. Sorry, Manoj ji, minus. अच्छा, हम allowed? Keep through the part. Okay, here we have the MC ready. So I feel that we have to we will stay started. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Sachin, all yours.
All right. Thank you so much. Thanks, Archana, for the amazing introduction and beautiful entry. Really appreciate it. You know, we're all here, and thank you all for coming for this momentous occasion to celebrate the 50th anniversary of my parents. I'm going to invite them to go sit on the side so they can see all the festivities and, you know, be on display, but not only on display. All right. So, I'm going to be emceeing, and I was actually supposed to be on this stage with a co-host. Many of you may know him. His name is Shalab Munat. He's my brother. You know, I think I know what's going on. He kind of snuck off the stage. But the thing that you need to know about Shalab is, you know, that he's the kind of guy that kind of wants an entrance. You know, he's not like me. He's not just going to saunter on stage and start emceeing. You know, everyone that knows him best knows that he's very enthusiastic and has a work hard. Put your hands together and make some noise for Shalab Munat.
The name's Paul. Shalab Munat. Thank you all so much. I really do love a grand entrance, and I really appreciate you making it special. I'm so honored and privileged to be here celebrating my parents' 50th anniversary. And I just want to take a moment to thank every single one of you for taking the time to come and celebrate with us. You know, it's true what they say. Life seems to move faster as you get older. And taking the time to celebrate the important moments and where you've been becomes more and more important. It feels unbelievable to me that these two have been together for 50 years. They're truly an example of growing together, whether moving to a new country, starting a business, raising children, philanthropy, or adjusting to new phases of life. Throughout our lives, they've taught us the importance of love and family through an incredible example that they have set for us. One of mutual respect, admiration, and love of one another. They are the foundation upon which our family was built, and an example of how to love and support, not just each other, but their family, their friends, and their community. My brother and I have always been very close. We owe this to the example our parents set for us. We've always known that we were loved unconditionally. However, somewhere along the way, their admiration for their younger son became painfully clear. I'm commonly introduced to their friends as, "This is our son, not the doctor." And who can blame them? My brother is one of the smartest people I know. He's one of those annoying people that never had to study in school, but still gets straight A's, graduated early from high school, early from college, and when he was taking a break from life, accidentally got a master's in neurobiology. Then he goes on to get 2 doctorates, practices medicine in 3 different states. Luckily, I'm not competitive.
Not competitive. I've always been, barking on the coattails, and that's been the only thing that's got me accomplished. So thank you for that. I'm just joking around a little bit. That was seriously sweet, bro. I really do appreciate it. Love you very much. His words really are true and speak to the values that were instilled in us by our parents. We're a family that loves each other deeply and shows that love frequently. Well, I think we're ready to get the pro.
Using her desire to get her master's in economics as a constant excuse, she rejected suitor after suitor after suitor who arrived for her hand in marriage. One day, my mother was finally introduced to my dad. Despite her attempts to delay things as long as possible, she was powerless against that incredible smile and that thick, luscious head of hair. Little did she know that one of those would be short-lived. Can we get the picture? I can't see the picture, but we searched thousands and thousands of photos over decades, and this was the only one that we could find that had any evidence of that thick and luscious hair. Their wedding was arranged, and exactly 50 years ago today, all of their prayers were answered, as they were wed as man and wife. And 9 months and 6 days later, they received the best wedding present they could ever imagine. This guy was born.
There's some interesting circumstances and hilarious stories about that wedding day that many of you may not know. In order to enact these in a brief dramatization, I would like to call to the stage my wife, Megan Murphy. While she's coming up, I just want to say how much I love her. We met 20 years ago this coming Friday, and I've loved her every day since. In this dramatization, Megan will be playing my mom, and I will be playing my dad. I'm just going to step off for 1 second to get ready.
I am so excited about my upcoming wedding, but we only have 6 days to plan the event. I'm going to have to focus all of my time on planning this wedding.
I am so excited about my upcoming wedding, but 9 days is plenty of time to plan a wedding. I'm sure that I have time for a quick business trip to Hong Kong before the event.
Sharad Munat made his way to Hong Kong. And being the shrewd businessman that he is, he made sure to squeeze out every last-minute deal that he could.
Man, am I glad that I squeezed out every last-minute deal that I could. I wonder if I should start getting back for this wedding. I'm going to give my sister a call and see how things are going. Ba-ding, ba-ding. Hi, Sarla. How is everything? Oh, gee. Oh, I see. I guess I'm running a little late. They're getting ready to head to the wedding, and I'm still in Hong Kong. Better get to the airport and get on a plane.
I am getting a little bit worried that my future husband is not actually going to make it to our wedding. My family is definitely concerned. Maybe I should have considered one of those other suitors.
Thousands of miles away, Sharad Munat rushes through Hong Kong, getting on the very next flight, rushing on a taxi through India, and makes it to the wedding just in the nick of time.
See, I told you all I'd make it. Wow, my bride is even more beautiful than I remembered.
Ooh, look at that full and luscious head of hair.
Well, we're all really glad that he made it. While I enjoyed my brother and Megan's dramatic rendition of the event, perhaps we would all benefit from an actual first-hand account. We had planned for my Kaka and Kaki-san to help us with this, but the winter weather in Texas has kept them playing on the ground. Luckily, we were able to use my dad's favorite technology, Zoom, to keep them on the program. So I'd like to ask my Kaka and Kaki-san to share some memories that will help us understand this important time in my parents' lives. They promised to regale us with stories and enlighten us with poetry. So please welcome to the Zoom portion of the show, Dr. Suresh Sunithamurna.
Dear Shivadri and everyone, as much as we wanted to be there today to celebrate with you, the frigid weather of Houston prevented us from doing that, but we are sending out a very, very warm wishes on your 50th wedding anniversary. It is a long time to be living together, and as happily as you have done it, it is an example for all of us. I remember the day when slim, beautiful little girl from very vibrant Delhi came to our quaint little town of Ratnam and quickly adjusted to it. I remember very vividly the day when all of us went for picnic to Sahor with the family, and everyone requested Poonam to dance.
शलभ, सचिन, मेघन, ईशा, अभी हैं इनकी जान। प्यार भी कितने रंगों में आता है, प्यार भी कितने रंगों में आता है, हर रंग अपने आप में दीवाना है। प्यार भी कितने रंगों में आता है, हर रंग अपने आप में दीवाना है। इस रंग रंगीली दुनिया में, इस रंग रंगीली दुनिया में एक रंग शरद पूनम तुम्हारा है, जिससे ये संसार सुहाना है। दो दिलों के मिलन की वर्षगांठ पर, दो दिलों के मिलन की वर्षगांठ पर जिंदगी के सुरों में, सुबह की लालिमा में, सूरज की किरणों में, रात की शाही में, चंदा की खूबसूरती में और सबसे ऊपर प्यार की गहराई में, मन की लहरों से उन्मुख महबूब की बाहों में जिंदगी को संवारते रहो। उन्मुख महबूब की बाहों में जिंदगी को संवारते रहो। जिंदगी की हरकतों में प्यार है सर्वोपरि, जिंदगी की हरकतों में प्यार है सर्वोपरि। खुशबू प्यार की फैला रहे हैं ये हम चोरी। दुआएं देते हैं सुरेश, सुनीता, जूही, सौरभ, हैदर एंड कबीर जयराज कह रहे हैं बना रहे प्यार परिवार में प्यार, बना रहे परिवार में प्यार। प्यार में डूबे फूल भंवरे की है जोड़ी, प्यार में डूबे फूल भंवरे की है जोड़ी। हमेशा बनी रहे शरद पूनम की ये जोड़ी, हमेशा बनी रहे शरद पूनम की ये जोड़ी। इन्हीं आशाओं से कामनाओं के साथ हम आपको बहुत बहुत दुआएं देते हैं कि आप हमेशा खुशहाल रहें, दोनों खूब मस्त रहें, स्वस्थ रहें और हमको भी प्यार करते रहें, खुद को भी प्यार करते रहें, दुनिया में प्यार फैलाते रहें।
इन फिजाओं में, इन हवाओं में, इन फिजाओं में तुझको मेरा प्यार पुकारे। आजा आजा रे, तुझको मेरा प्यार पुकारे।
रुक ना पाऊंगी खिंचती आऊं मैं, रुक ना पाऊंगी खिंचती आऊं मैं, दिल को जब दिलदार पुकारे।
आजा आजा रे, तुझको मेरा प्यार पुकारे। तुझसे रंगत, तुझसे मस्ती, इन झरनों में फूलों में।
तेरे तुमसे मेरी हंसी झूली चाहत के झूलों में।
मचली जाए शोख मंगी, मचली जाए शोख मंगी, दो बाहों का हाथ पुकारे।
आजा आजा रे, तुझको मेरा प्यार पुकारे। तुम पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए, तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए। अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सके, क्या करूँ हाँ मैं, कुछ कुछ होता है, क्या करूँ हाँ मैं, कुछ कुछ होता है।
मेरी मखना, मेरी सोनिए, हर चल बलिए। सोनी तेरी चाल सोनी वे,
you so much for the intro. We've gathered here to celebrate 50 wonderful years of marriage between Sharad and Poonam. From the very beginning, their union has been built on what matters most to them, family. And today, as we look at this room, we see the beautiful family that they have created and the community that has grown from it. Poonam often says that her heart lives in her family, and I have been so deeply touched to experience that myself. It has truly been an honor to be welcomed with such open arms and full hearts into the Luna family. The love they share is something you can truly feel in their presence, in their generosity, and in the way they bring people together. It is reflected in every person here tonight, family, friends, and the many connections they've nurtured over the years. And now, as they enjoy this season of life together, they continue to share that love by giving back to their community and their new home here in Fremont, and keeping family.
जब आप दोनों का संबंध हुआ तब शायद किसी ने नहीं सोचा होगा कि यह रिश्ता आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए एक उदाहरण बन जाएगा।
समय के साथ साथ सुख भी आए, चुनौतियां भी आई, धूप भी रही, छांव भी रही, लेकिन हर परिस्थिति में आप दोनों का साथ अडिग रहा।
दाम्पत्य जीवन की सबसे सुंदर बात यही रही कि आप दोनों ने हमेशा मैं को नहीं बल्कि हमको प्राथमिकता दी। हर निर्णय, हर जिम्मेदारी साथ मिलजुल कर निभाई।
आपने मिलकर घर आंगन को संस्कारों से सजाया और जब दो फूल खिले तो परिवार को सच्चा सहारा मिला।
समय आगे बढ़ा, रिश्तों की माला और सजी, नए मोती जुड़े और खुशियां और बढ़ती चली गई।
आज जब पोते पोती संग ये बगिया और भी खिल उठी है तो हर मुस्कान में जीवन की पूर्णता झलकती है।
आज
inside of all of us that whispers all day long, that tells us what is right for us, that tells us what is wrong. No teachers, preachers, parents, friends. No teachers, preachers, parents, friend. No wise man can decide anything what to do. Just listen to the voice that speaks inside. And I did. There was a time, एक वक्त, लाइफ का सबसे टफ, मुश्किल वक्त जो होता है, तब आपको पहचान होती है आपका अपना कौन है। मुझे दिया गया है 1 मिनट, बट 1 मिनट काफी है बस कहने के लिए थैंक यू, क्योंकि अपने वो नहीं होते जो तस्वीर में साथ खड़े होते हैं, अपने वो होते हैं जो तकलीफ में साथ खड़े होते हैं। एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई बहुत धन्यवाद। यू हैव बीन विद मी व्हेन इट वाज आई डोंट हैव वर्ड्स। मेरे पास शब्द है, आप मेरे गुरु हैं, मेरे मेंटोर हैं, मेरे काउंसलर हैं, और जो डांट भी आपसे सबसे ज़्यादा पड़ती है, आई नो दैट, बट thank you for giving me direction, for giving me that guidance that only एक अपना ही कोई दे सकता है। बस मैं आधा मिनट में खत्म करती हूँ कि thank you very much for doing what nobody else could have done. Appreciate, love you, and God bless you.
पायल रूप तेरा सोना सोना सोनी तेरी पायल छन छना छन ऐसे छन के दर्द सबको घायल कह रहा धोखा काजल इश्क में जीना मरना से शावा शावा मानिया से शावा शावा मानिया से शावा शावा मानिया से शावा शावा
Because me and my brother kind of usurped all of his time to actually do the speech. So he would like to summon my mom to the stage and is just going to say a few words.
Which she has done, and Jyoti, Geetam, and Sunita and Nidhi has done it. Everyone, I'm not taking your name because it is a very big group, but I have a love and thankful heart for all of you. And I want all of you to enjoy the food. Eat as much as you want, whether you eat it tomorrow or not. But fill up your tummy with the good food. Love you all.
Hello? Okay, so thank you for being patient and waiting. It was a very good program. We really feel honored that you all have been coming here and for a special program to celebrate our 50th wedding anniversary. How was the program, guys? Did you enjoy? Good. Okay, let me say a few words. Thank you for all coming and making this day so special for us. I am so grateful to my beautiful bride for putting up with me for 50 years. That's half a century. And everything that we have created together, I am proud and thankful to my family and friends for their help in putting this.
Thank you, Sharad ji, Poonam ji. I'm Manoj Goyal, for some of you who are new. I'm the चौकीदार और CEO here. And कहते हैं शादी एक बातचीत होती है, अभी इनकी बातचीत अभी भी चल रही है 50 साल तक। और ये थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर। पूनम जी हमारे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में है, इसी साल ज्वाइन किया है। और ICC का जो लोगो है यूनाइट, सर्व, सेलिब्रेट, तो शी इज सर्विंग एंड वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग। और एक गाना 4 लाइन आप शरद जी की तरफ से पूनम जी को, मैं 4 लाइन सुनाता हूँ आपकी तरफ से, है? आप मेरे साथ गा सकते हैं। पल पल दिल के पार तुम रहती हो, पल पल दिल के पार तुम रहती हो। जीवन मीठी प्यास, जीवन मीठी प्यार तुम कहती हो, तुम कहती हो। Thank you very much. Thank you.
I would like to say thank you to all the ICC staff, Deepak ji, Manoj ji, Shekhar ji, and everyone, Roman who did the decorations here. Everybody was so gracious, so precious, and they happily did everything what we wanted. So I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Special thanks to Manohar Bhai for taking care of the DJ. Manohar and Joshi ji for photography and videography. Let's say hello everybody. Let's go and enjoy the food and we'll come back to you. Thank you.
हाँ सर, पूनम जी, शरद साहब, बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, मुबारक।
And last but not the least, Archana Panda. She has been so helpful to us for everything and anything we need. She is there all the time.
Last but not least, my family, who were all the way together with us. They have been working so hard on this program. They are sitting out there in their meetings and listening our conversation. They were doing a hard work to make this event so beautiful. Shalab, Dr. Sachin and Shalab and Heather and Megan and Avishan Muna. My family was very supportive and they did a lot of work which is staying behind the curtain. So nobody can imagine how much they were working. So I would like to say thank you, my sweethearts. Love me to देने मुबारक आई हो प्यारी पूनम सजी समय शरद साहब के मैं तो देने मुबारक आई हो मोती सोने के लग भरे लाई। सब लोग ताली लगाओ।